Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy holidays. We are officially on day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas gift ideas for him series. Yes, I know I'm technically giving you guys 2 videos in one day, and that's because we had a lot of issues. I don't know if the storm was messing up the Wi-Fi or what it was, but unfortunately my video yesterday couldn't post. So I decided to drop 2 so that we wouldn't get behind and we would keep up with the 12 days of Christmas. So bear with me. At least, you know what? This is like a 2-day premiere. You guys getting a 2-day premiere because I've been gone a year. Let's go with that. I've been gone a year, so we're giving you guys a 2-day premiere for my first day of the 12 days of Christmas. But we'll be back on track tomorrow and every day up to Christmas with me giving you all new ideas, brands, and products that I believe will be a great gift for the guys in your life. If this is your first time checking out my channel, thanks for coming through. Make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're pressing that subscribe button and hitting that bell because you don't want to miss the other 10 days of all the stuff that I'm going to show you all. Plus, we're hitting the ground running. 2025 is going to be a great year of content for us. Today's video is going to be about Beats Studio Pro. Now I know what you guys are going to say, but Char, you talked about the Apple AirPods Max and the Beats Solo last year, and now you're talking about the... Yes, I am. Because if you're not always elevating your electronics, you are missing out. And y'all know I am a big fan of having the newest stuff because it gives me better quality, especially for editing my videos. Plus, better quality in product as well. Now, I say that because the reason I upgraded to this was because my AirPods Max is so hard on my ears. There's no give to them. So as a person who sits and edits videos, as someone who also listens to a lot of music every day, it's really hard because it starts to give me a headache and things like that. So I don't too much use my AirPods Max anymore. But that's just me. I think it's because I have so much hair, so I always just have it pressured on me. I have no idea. But unfortunately for me, it just doesn't work. There are certain days where I just enjoy using all Apple products. Unfortunately, my Beats Solo wear and tear in a year just wasn't the best. The leather was really starting to break and they just weren't looking their best anymore. And I'm just not that person where I enjoy having like leather falling off of it when I take them on and off, just looking really dingy. So I decided to go with kind of what both of them, if they had a baby, what it would be like. That's these right here. The Beats Solo went over the ears, but they kind of went on top of the ears instead of over the ears. And the Apple AirPods Max went over the ears, but like you were engulfed. The padding wasn't the same. It wasn't soft. All the best qualities of both of those were thrown into the Beats Studio Pros. I'm not just saying that because I bought them. I'm saying it because it is the truth. Now with the Beats Studio Pro, you see a charging battery life of up to 40 hours. That's a long time. Also, you see fast charging. They are way more compatible with Apple and Android products as well. Plus, they go over the ears with that Beats leather material, which I really like. They're soft over your ears the entire time. And there's some actual give to them. That's what's important. It doesn't feel like after wearing them for 5-10 hours that I am literally getting my head squished. And that was a big part of them. You all know I'm a backpack boy. I do not like when I cannot fit things in my backpack properly or if I can't fit multiple things because I'm taking all of my equipment with me everywhere, all types of things, all the time. And with the AirPod Max, I always had the issue of having to carry it in like their little bra that they give everyone and them always activating themselves. That was a huge issue. Now with the Beats Solo, those were an issue from constantly using them, pulling them in and out of my backpack, wearing them all the time. The wear on them got pretty bad. But either way, it was definitely time for a new set and these were the ones to go. Yes, they're pricier, when you're seeing them in the $300 range versus around $150, $200 for the Solo, and obviously it's around the same, it's like $400 for the AirPod Max. So if you had to choose between the two, I would definitely say go with these, just because quality-wise, night and day when it comes to usability. Also, like the case with these more. They're less flimsier than the case that was for the Solo. Also allow for take up less space, unlike AirPods Max. I like this, and I also like that they went with plush meshed case, but it's just a little thicker, a little harder, versus that really meshed case that they gave you. I just feel like it's a little bit more protected in here, which is a huge thing for me because, like I said, I carry everything in a backpack, so it's just a lot better. It has noise canceling as well as transparent mode. Love those. I am one that always loves to test when my noise canceling is on. Even when I know they work, I'm so skeptical. So I like to see what it will sound like with it on, what did it sound like with it off, just to see if it was worth it. And I am a big fan of it. If you're a content creator or you use any type of editing software, these really do help with hearing, with sound balance, with everything. These are such an enhancement and has helped my editing so much already. As I still try to edit my Comic-Con because it's like 60 hours and I'm struggling with it, I have had to listen to so much footage, and listening through here and having these on my ears for hours as I do that really was awesome. I can't speak any highly of anything else. Of the three that I've shown you over the last year, these have been my number one headphones so far, and I honestly see these as being my headphones for over the next couple years. I don't see myself upgrading anytime soon. These are the way to go. So I want to know what you all think. Would you still use the Studio Pros, or would you use the Apple AirPods Max? Would you go ahead to use the Solo, which is a little bit cheaper? I want to know, because if it doesn't work for me, it might work for you all, and vice versa. So let me know what you all think. Would you rock these over the other ones? How do these work for you? Have they worked well depending on your products and editing and whatnot? I want to know. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think. All right, guys? Now, make sure you guys are checking out the previous video to make sure you're getting all 12 days. Make sure you guys are checking out my previous videos as well. I only have done recently my 25 days of Christmas last year. I know, don't hate me, I'm getting on it, I promise. So make sure you go check those out as well. Like I said, our goal is December 30th, 2025, 100K subscribers, 100K followers. We are making this happen. I can only do it with you all. Make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're giving this video a like. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my content as they come out daily for the Christmas season and weekly from January on. All right, guys. So as always, show love, support the dream, and spread positivity. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Happy holiday.